Welcome back, crypto traders. In this video, I'm going to actually analyze this particular project, EGLD USDT, for you. And I'm going to be showing you, if you're actually a newbie, how to take these amazing trades that can give you over 90% win rate. Now, on the weekly time frame, I gave this call. I said that EGLD was going to fly to the upside. Now, I'm going to prove to you why this will happen. If you are actually watching this video, it's a big opportunity for you to take this trade. All right, now, first things first, all right? First things first. Look at where we are right now. This is the weekly time frame. You can see that price is already doing its thing, and we've jumped across this particular resistance, all right? And we are making it a support now. This is the weekly time frame. Let me just go over to the daily time frame so that you see exactly what I'm saying. Can you see how we're actually making this a support level? Let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see what this is looking like. Can you see it? If you can see this trade right now, this is a blessing for you. It's a big blessing for what? For you to hop into this trade and make some crazy amounts of money, right? Using this strategy. Now, let me go back to the weekly time frame again, analyze this with you. Now, because we're on the weekly time frame, I'm going to explain why we're using the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame holds a lot of strength, it holds a lot of volume, and of course, it holds a lot of liquidity and momentum. One, it holds a lot of strength, holds a lot of volume, and it holds liquidity and momentum. Now, these four things are key for any price action to move, most especially liquidity. All right, now, if you see this now, right, if you see this, let's go over to the 1 hour time frame now. I'm going to come back again and plot my indicators. I only use one indicator, which is the volume indicator. If you're a newbie, just pay detailed attention, all right? Pay very detailed attention to what I'm doing. So this is the 1 hour. This is where we're actually taking our execution from. I took this trade as a sniper entry, and I'm up with over $50 already. I'll be swinging this trade to the next key support level, which is it's going to be about $120. E-gold is going to go to $120 the coming weeks. All right. So I'm swinging this trade, and I should be getting nothing less than $1,500 from this trade. All right. So basically, this is where we are right now on the 1 hour time frame. Now I just want to plot my range so that you understand clearly what I'm doing. This is my range bound. I use Wyckoff. I use Wyckoff schematic to actually plot all of these things. Now this is my range. Now price has been in this range quite some time. Let's go down to the 15 minutes. Let's see what it's looking like. All right, this is what it's looking like. Price has been in this range for some time now. Look at the range. All right, this is our range. Price has been what? Moving within this range. Look at price moving here. See it right inside of this range. Now, where it gets very interesting is that below this range, a lot of retail traders who are less informed, I don't like to call them retail traders. I like to call them less informed traders. Now, a lot of them would see this as an opportunity to buy at these levels. Now, where are they going to put their stop losses? They're going to put their stop losses somewhere around here, somewhere around this axis. All right, we're going to be seeing a lot of stops placed around here. Let me just make this visible. So these are stop losses. These areas are going to be what we call the liquidity pool. All right, it's called a liquidity pool. We're going to be seeing lots and lots of stop losses around here. Now, all of these stop losses, the institutions or what we call the market makers, or what we call the whales, or the informed traders, those who have the money to move the market, what they are going to do, because they already know that a lot of uninformed traders are doing this, are buying at these are buying at these supposed levels, they're going to smash them out, right? They're going to smash them out of the market. And that's what we call liquidity. So all of this now is an inducement. So they're going to definitely smash them out, take them out, and buy from this what other block. Now, if you look at this very clearly, oh man, if you're not in my VIP group, I really don't know what you're doing with your time. Or if you've never taken any of my mentorship, I really don't know what you're doing. Now, you can see this fair value gap right here. This is a confirmed order block. You can see how price came in to fill this fair value gap. Can you see it? Price came in to fill this fair value gap. You can see how price came in, filled the fair value gap, and what did it do next? It reacted from here. So obviously, we should be getting a change of character somewhere around here, right? We should see price breaking through here, coming back to retest these levels. That's what price is most likely going to do over time from my experience. So we've tested this other block. There's another block here. You can see this big candle here. It's another block sitting right there. We retested it. Price is going to come back again. Probably not. It's already midnight recording this video, so I'm feeling a little bit tired right now at the moment. So just bear with me and catch as much as you can from this video. So price is going to break through, come back again and retest probably maybe this fair value gap here or this one here. There are going to be 2 points of interest. This is what price is most likely going to do. All right, so that's it for this. And as a beginner trader, these are the kind of strategies you should actually be thinking of learning. We have so many courses available for this, and it's going to be very beneficial to you as a beginner trader, even as an already existing trader, to upskill what you already know. So the link to the course is going to be in the description of this video. If you've not gotten it, I really don't know what you're doing with your trading career, but honestly, you need to get it. All right. So basically, this is how price should move. Right? I've done a lot of analysis before. This is e-gold. I gave one just now, Matic. And look, that coin has done something very crazy. It's done what? Something crazy. Look at the other block. Look at where I took my entry from. Just look at it yourself. We got our entries from here. Very perfect entry. And I'm swinging this up to 1.14. That's my TP. So I'm still some miles away. Not so much though, but still some distance away from my TP. But I've been taking partials. I'm up like about $80 already on this trade. I'm expecting about $340 from this trade. This is Matic USDT. So guys, I'm going to leave you all right now, but I'm still with you. Connect with me. The link to my DM is in the description of this video. This is MJ Crypto, and this is one of my crypto trading strategies that you should be trading to become successful and profitable as a trader. I'm gonna catch you up. I'm gonna catch up with you in the next video. Cheers. Just drop positive comments on the comment section and let me know the topics you would actually want me to talk about, and we're gonna dive into them ASAP. One love.